of a statement of excess capital among the partners. Now we will go ahead with statement of distribution of cash. Tell me how many columns will prepare with cash, along with the cash. How many columns will prepare? Date, particulars, and somebody told me 5 columns. Everyone is agree
Cash,
to 5 columns?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you bifurcate how this 5 is calculated?
cash, creditors, and all partners A, B, C.
Cash, creditors, and all partners, that is ABC. Correct, absolutely correct. So if I go ahead with the sum, I have already calculated order of payment. Now I will prepare my statement of distribution of cash, where I will write cash balance as given in the balance sheet. They have mentioned in the balance sheet cash available is rupees 3,000. Creditors balance 37,000, that is what given in the balance sheet. And the partner's capital, I will take the adjusted capital which I have calculated while preparing statement of excess capital. So for partners, I will take 40, 26, 24 and not 40, 30, 27, which is given in the balance sheet. Are we all clear about this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is what I have taken. I have taken here balance on 1st April 2013. Your balance sheet is given on 31st March 2013. So next day we will start with piecemeal distribution. So I have taken it as 1st April 2013. Balance brought down for cash 3,000, creditors 37,000, partners capital 40, 26, 24. This is adjusted capital. Are you ready with the statement? Can we go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, before I start, I would give importance to this statement given in the question. Partners decided to keep a minimum cash balance of 2,000 in first 3 months. Now, they have not used the word provision for realization expense. They have used the word कि partners ने decide किया है कि वो 2,000 side में रखेंगे for first 3 months. Yani first 3 months, if we start from April, your 3 months will be April, May, June. That means till June end, they will keep aside 2,000 to meet some of the expenses if it arises. They have not used the word realization expense, so we will not be able to connect it to realization because they have given you realization expenses installment wise. But this 2,000 provisionally, for some reason, they have kept it aside कि इमरजेंसी में हमको कैश चाहिए तो हमारे पास कैश होना चाहिए. So they are not distributing the entire amount. They are keeping 2,000 aside. Everyone is clear about it?
Yes, ma'am.
So when I start with the statement, whatever cash is available, 3,000 with me, what I will do with that?
Less 2,000.
Yes. पहले हम ये कैश में से 2,000 साइड में रख देंगे. Then we will start distributing. Now for distribution also, what they have told, when it is to be distributed, partners shared profit and loss in the ratio of 4:3:3. Due to differences among the partners, it was decided to wind up the firm, realize the assets and distribute cash among the partners at the end of each month. At the end of each month, they will do distribution. So आपके पास 1st April को 3,000 है, उसमें से आपने 2,000 साइड में रखा. So 1,000 cash balance still there. Will you distribute this 1,000 on the 1st April itself?
No.
No, ma'am. First.
Yes, they have told you at the end of each month. So we will wait up to 30th April. 30th April तक कोई realization नहीं हुआ, then we will distribute this 1,000 to creditors. Because your, as given in the question, your first realization is in May. But when you connect it to the practical situation, you know in advance that you have 3,000 right now. Out of that, 2,000 you will keep aside. 1,000 is there on 1st April. You will wait till 30th April to realize some of the asset. But if you are not able to realize this, 30th April को आप ये 1,000 distribute कर दोगे. Are we clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if I connect it to, see, I have given here, what will come first? We are keeping 2,000 aside. So that is what I have deducted from cash. Less amount kept aside, 2,000. I have 1,000 with me, but this 1,000 is not distributed on 1st April itself. It is distributed on 30th April. Be very careful about this, students. Whatever method of distribution they have told you in the question, that you will have to follow. Have you copied till now? Please copy it down. Have you copied it, dear students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now go back to question. On May, they have not given the date for May. So it is just given that realization is happening in May. And we are not bothered about date also because हमको तो पूरे महीने का collection करके बाद में distribute करना है. So they have told that realization in May is 15,000 rupees from debtors, 20,000 by sale of stock, and the expenses were 500. So we will write it as realization from debtors 15,000, realization from stock 20,000, less expenses 500. So I will go ahead with that. This is what your realization will appear like. Add realization. I have just written May because the date on which particular date I am realizing this, that is not informed. Debtors 15,000, stock 20,000, total 35,000, less 500, so 34,500. Have you all copied this?
मैम नीचे 34,500 नहीं लिखा था 500 के नीचे.
Hello, somebody asked me some doubt. Now, out of the amount available 34,500, to whom you will distribute?
Creditors.
How much?
34,500.
Entire 34,500 we will give to creditors because creditors total outstanding claim is 36,000. So I will write down, but that will be distributed at the end of May. So I will write down when distributing, while distributing, you will write down the date on which you have distributed. 31st May, less pay to creditors, 34,500. So your cash balance will become zero, nil, and your creditors balance will come down to 1,500. Partners capital account will remain as it is because we have not started in distributing cash to partners yet. Are we all clear on this? Any doubt here? Any question here?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Then we will start with the next step. We will go to the next step. Now my next realization is in June. They have told that debtors realized 10,000 and stock 24,000 with no expenses. So I will write down next realization. Sorry. Okay. This is what I have written here, 30th June. June realization, debtors 10,000, stock 24,000. So the total amount realized is 34,000. Okay. Now, out of this 34,000, we will distribute the amount on 30th June. How much you will distribute to whom? Will you give this entire 34,000 to creditors?
Ma'am, first 1,500 be credited.
Yes, great. The first 1,500 will be given to creditors. Once you pay 1,500 to creditors, their claim will become zero. Creditors' claim will be zero then, and the cash balance available is 32,500. With partners' capital 40, 26, and 24,000, with no distribution started yet. Now you have 32,500 available with you. To whom you will pay first? We will refer to our order of payment. What is the first order of payment? A, 5,333. So we will pay to A 5,333 as written on the screen. Are you able to see my screen? Pay to A 5,333. This distribution will be on 30th June. That is the end of June. That is the end of June. Okay. Now what else? What next? What next?
Pay to A and B.
Pay to A only? Only A?
Pay to A and
Ma'am,
A
B,
and B,
both partners.
How
both
much?
partners.
How much? How much?
4,667.
Yes. Pay to A and B 4,667 in 4:3. So I will write down next pay to A and B 4,667 in 4:3. That means I am giving 2,667 to A and 2,000 to B. That is from here only. आपका यही amount आएगा. ये जो second last step है वही amount आएगा. If you divide it in 4:3. So directly you take this amount from your statement of excess capital only. So I have fulfilled my first order of payment. I have fulfilled my second order of payment. What next? Still you have cash balance of 22,500. So what you will
Pay
do
to
with
all
this
partners in
22,500?
PSR.
Pay to all partners in PSR. Completely agree. Thank you very much. So pay to all partners in profit sharing ratio 22,500. So profit sharing ratio is 4:3:3. So when I divide it in 4:3:3, A is getting 9,000 and B and C, each of them is getting 6,750. So B and C, each of them are getting 6,750 and for A it is 9,000. And still they have capital balance left 23,000, 17,250 each of B and C. Now you reach to your third step, third point of order of payment. And what is that third point? Pay to all partners in profit sharing ratio. So before starting, you always confirm that the balance you are getting just before pay to all partners, is it 4:3:3? So 32, 24, 24 is 4:3:3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So once you get this, that means that is you are going Correct. Okay, everyone. Any doubt till now? Any question till now?
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So we will go to next. Now I'm going back to the question. What they have told. First 3 months you have to keep 2000 as a minimum balance. First 3 months means April, May, and June. So you reach to your 30th June. So when you reach to 30th June, उन्होंने क्या बोला है now that 1000 thereafter. यानी फर्स्ट 3 मंथ्स उन्होंने 2000 साइड में रखा है. उसके बाद उन्होंने डिसाइड किया है दे विल कंटिन्यू विद ओनली 1000 बैलेंस व्हिच इज केप्ट असाइड. सो व्हाट थिंक यू शुड दे शुड डू नाउ? व्हाट इज योर व्यू?
Deduct
Share
it.
Add 1000.
1000.
Add 1000.
ये
Share 1000.
add 1000 to where?
To cash.
Ma'am, to cash
Yes.
and then distribute among partners.
Correct, perfectly correct. Thank you very much. So the 1000 now they are going to continue with only 1000 balance. So they will have surplus of 1000 which they had kept aside. That will be added back in the distribution of cash. But this adding back is on 30th June because they're 3 months ending on 30th June. That means 1st July. So do you have any realization in 1st July?
No, ma'am.
So
No,
what
ma'am.
you will do when you will distribute them?
31st July.
See, excess of amount kept aside will be added back on 1st July in the cash balance. And this will be, yes, you correctly told, it will be distributed on to partners in PSR at the end of the month. So it will be 31st July. Agree, everyone? Any doubt here? Any question here? Distributing this 1000 among the partners in PSR 400, 300, 300, then the balance remained is 22,600, 16,950, and 16,950. Agree, everyone? Then I am going to August. August, they have sold part of machine for 18,000 and the expenses to this sale is 600. So 17,400 we will add back in our cash for the distribution purpose. So August, your realization is machinery 18,000, expenses deduct karke 600. So your cash column will have cash of 17,400. Every one of you have completed copying the statement till this step? Have you understood it clearly till this step?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, dear. Can I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What we will do with the 17,400?
Distribute.
Distribute to partners in PSR. So this will be my next step, but that will be on 31st August, end of the month. Pay to all partners in PSR 17,400. And once you divide that in PSR 4:3, B will get 5,220 and C will get 5,220, leaving balance of 15,640, 11,730, 11,730. The last realization is in September. Part of machinery, which is valued in books at 5,000,
Ma'am,
taken by A. Yes, dear.
ma'am, we have to write 31st July, no? Let's pay to all partners.
Here it was 31st July. Agree? This realization is in August. So here it will be 31st August. Are we clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. September, a part of machinery in the books which is valued at 5,000 is taken by A in the part discharge at an agreed value of 10,000. And the balance of machinery is sold for 3,000. That means A has taken over machinery for 10,000 and the balance is sold at 3,000. So whenever the machine is taken by partner, we understand that it is as good as cash brought in by partner. So cash, the partner is taking over that asset against cash. So 10,000 plus 3,000 will be added in cash. So this is 13,000. And then after this, there is no realization. So whatever 1,000 also we have kept aside, that will also be added back in the distribution. So we added that excess of cash which was kept aside 1,000 in distribution, and this 14,000 will be distributed among partners in PSR, leaving the loss on dissolution to partners of rupees 10,040, 7,530 and 7,530. Any doubt in this step? Any question?
But Miss,
Ma'am, can you go back to the slide?
first only, no?
1 minute, huh, dear. Have you copied this? This slide you are talking about?
No, ma'am, office wala.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear. Snehi, bol beta.
ma'am, Vidhi, ma'am, 1,000 we distributed on 31st July. So why we will
Yes.
ask them?
हमने 2,000 साइड में रखा था बेटा. See in the question what they have told, 2,000 is kept aside. So out of that we distributed 1,000 on 31st July, and at the end again we will be having now no more realization. So whatever extra was 1,000, that is also added back.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
I hope you have copied till now.
Ma'am, it will be balance brought down, no? 31st August.
Yes, it will be brought down here.
Ma'am, can you please share the first slide?
Statement of excess capital.
No, ma'am, after that, distribution of cash, first slide.
Yes, sure. This you are talking about?
Ma'am, done.
Thank you. Any further doubt? Any further question?
No, ma'am.
So by this, our question number 6 is over here. Thank you very much. Wait a minute. Don't leave the class.